Welcome back, guys. It's your boy Vendetta, and today we are going to vlog about something. It's gonna be a regular vlog, and hopefully we see some stuff. But look, how you guys doing? Good? Good? Okay, cool. So we're gonna vlog today, and hopefully you see some stuff, you know? Stay tuned. Well, Kelly, you don't want free food? We're trying to convince Marjorie to go, but she doesn't want to go right now. We just got some new plans. It is raining right now. Look at the floor. So today we were supposed to go out and see some event, and they were like giving out free stuff, like gifts and everything like that, to see what's up. And then we were going to my friend's birthday party, and then to the beach. But let's see how the rain goes so far. All right, we're packing up. I think we're gonna head to the beach first. What can I get? What do we have here? Okay. Check. And a mask, just in case the coronavirus. So it's raining right now, so you know, hopefully the events that we're going to are still, you know, open, but not sure. It's pretty and the crazy thing is this, but we're still going to the beach though. That's number one. We're going to the beach. That's a fact. We're going to go to the beach in Long Branch, Jersey. We're gonna go to the beach, and because it's not raining over there. It's not raining, so ooh, thank God for that. Coming close to Long Branch Beach. I'm saying, yeah, cause where do you think she's going? We are. Look at that noise. Yeah, Long Branch. Who is screaming like that? Is Charlotte okay? Somebody is screaming their life, and we were just standing there. But anyways, yeah, we can't, no trespassing. We got park between out here. Get the beach, Long Branch. Deuce. Yeah, you know what it is, man. I'm loving it. I'm telling you, if I catch a little, if I bleed through these shells, save me. That's Tasha right there. Tasha will go there. Oh, that is cold. You're bugging. I know. The water's mad cold. I'm not about to go in there. I'm not about to go in there. Too cold. We are at the beach, and it's raining. Some people are leaving though, but it's raining now. But that's the best time. Best time. Man, they already called it all short already, man. We're about to leave now because now it's raining. Everybody's scared of the water, so everybody's scared of the rain, so we gotta go back. Dang, I'm upset right now. But this is it's been pretty A-okay. Probably next time we go to the beach when it's a bit sunny. All right, peace out. It is raining like crazy. Everybody's leaving the beach. I'm out of here. We're out. The water's getting crazy right now. Rain is getting crazy. Shit. We're out of here, man. Peace. We just got to the beach just to have a good time. You know what I'm saying? All of a sudden the rain came in like, excuse me, get out the beach. Rain literally kicked us out the beach. So I'm saying thank you, Rain, for kicking us out the beach. Jeez. Next time we'll go to the beach when there's no rain. Today wasn't a day that I expected. You know, it was raining. It had like, it was just raining, and some events were cut short, and the beach was cut short. But hopefully we have a better day, probably tomorrow or the next day. We'll see what happens. But until then, this video is short. But look, anyways, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more vlogs. All right, it's gonna get lit. Don't worry about it. Boom. Peace out.